Here's a question we all ask at some point. How do you get better vision in everyday life? No gimmicks, no overpromises, just clear steps you can start using right now. Let's get into the highlights. First up, daily habits. Hydrate, blink often, and don't forget the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. That quick reset cuts down digital eye strain. Add UV-blocking sunglasses outdoors, safety glasses for risky tasks, and you're already protecting your eyes in a big way. Next, screen time. Lower that brightness, bump up the contrast, and keep your monitor right at eye level. Small changes here make a big difference when you're spending hours at work or school in front of a screen. And don't overlook what's on your plate. Leafy greens, fish, nuts. These aren't just healthy foods, they're fuel that supports your vision. Combine good nutrition with proper rest, and you're setting yourself up for sharper, more comfortable sight. Now, here's something everyone wonders. Do screens permanently damage your eyes? The answer is no. They cause digital strain, but not permanent harm. That's why smart habits like the 20-20-20 rule and blue light filters come into play. Another big myth, wearing glasses makes your eyes weaker. Not true. Glasses don't harm your eyes. They just correct your vision so you can see clearly. Skipping them can actually cause more strain, not less. So what's the bottom line? Getting better vision isn't about one big fix. It's about building small daily habits, making smart choices with products, and knowing when it's time to see a professional. If you're ready to dive deeper into simple routines, DIY care, and long-term vision tips, head over to eyefatigue.com. There's a full guide waiting for you with even more insights. Stay sharp, take care of those eyes, and remember, clearer vision starts with the steps you take today.